Want to share unlisted videos with specific people without making them public? YouTube has a hidden share privately feature most creators don't know about. I'll show you exactly how to use it and the big mistake to avoid. Go to youtube.com, click your profile icon in the top right, and select YouTube Studio. This is your control center for all videos. In the Content tab, find your private video. Hover over it and click the pencil icon to edit details. Click Visibility greater than Share privately. Now enter the exact email address of who can view it. Warning: only use Google accounts. Non-Gmail emails won't work. As you can see here, I instantly received a notification email with a special link. The viewer must be logged into the Google account you specified. No exceptions.